Do you want to know how Smarter Workflow Manager works? Watch this video and you will discover how to use this feature to make many actions related to the movement of records between sheets. Click on Smarter Workflow Manager. We have 3 project budget sheets and we need to get an insight on all the projects. So we have to copy the summaries of the 3 sheets and paste them into a summary sheet. Follow me. First, we start by adding a new workflow by clicking on this button here. Then you select the source sheet that contains records and data you want to copy. Click Next. At this point, you select the destination sheet where you want to paste the records. After that, you choose a column and a value to use to trigger the flow. Then we have one action from 5 to select. The first action is a move, which means cut and paste the record. The second one is to move with a temporary sheet. This action is more powerful than the first one because it takes care of your data. By creating a temporary sheet that receives only displayed values and copy them finally to the destination sheet. Then we have a copy. This action is going to copy your records every 10 minutes and paste them to the destination sheet. The copy one-time action is exactly as its name indicates. And finally, copy one time and sync, and this one copy your record one time and synchronize every 10 minutes. So when there are changes in the source sheet, your destination sheet is going to be automatically updated. Let's go with this last one and click Save. We have to make the same thing with the 2 other projects. Finally, we click Run Workflow Manager. Let's check the summary sheet. Awesome,